everyone! Are you ready to learn the Baby Shark Ballet? Let's start with our feet together for our plies. Make a smile with your feet and put your hands on your hips. Now, bend and stretch your knees like this. Can you add your shark hands too? Chomp, chomp, chomp! That's it! You're doing it! Now, let's practice our twirling. Pretend to hold a big beach ball and place it above your head to make fifth position with your arms. Are you ready? Now, let's spin around on your tippy toes and twirl! Make sure you keep your arms in fifth position. Beautiful! Now, for my very favorite move, the Arabesque. Stand on one leg and stretch the other behind you like this. Wow! Try to balance as long as possible and finish with your end pose. Bravo! It's the Baby Shark Ballet. Thanks for watching. For lots more great songs, subscribe to Ready, Set, Dance.
Ready, set, dance!